Okay. So I'm gonna take this guy out. Old heat pump. You got the louver door, so not terrible. Put a better trap on there. So most important. Okay. Let's get her done. All right, got the unit out. Got to what's it called? Had to take the piece out that was there because it's not or it's too tall. The new unit's a lot taller. So it's an inch wider, so I got to clean that up and bend the tabs over and clean all this crap up. I should be able to get the unit in there and start doing all the mechanical and metal work. Braced up. Just doing the cross brakes there so it doesn't cause any duck bangs. But for the most part, besides the pain in the ass metal, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's got one more piece after that, and then I can start working on all the mechanical stuff, heat pack, all that. All right, there it is. Metal was kind of a pain because the transition goes back so far, but it wasn't too bad. We redid the insulation on that because it was crap. Got two safeties right there on the primary and secondary drain. New filter. Yeah, pretty straightforward. A little annoying, but I think the most annoying part was just all the rain outside for the outdoor, but not too bad. So.